baby Luca. Yeah. There you go. Where's your smile? Where's your smile? Do you have a smile you want to show Grandma and Grandpa? Do you have any smiles you want to show them? What if I give you a key? Oh, is that kind of smile? What if I give you this? Too many hiccups? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh. Do you have any smiles you're hiding in here? Do you have any smiles you're hiding?
What's that thing with his head?
Oh, what's the matter? What's the matter? What about this? What about this? Oh, what's the matter?